2018. My name is Kristian Harris. Happy New Year, everyone. This time of year, people are always doing resolutions, New Year's resolutions with respect to health or lifestyle, and we're going to encourage you to do that with your finances. This time of year, most people are going to receive their mortgage annual statement from their lender. And when you do, I want you to look at two things on there. I want you to look at your amortization, how much time you have left in the life of the mortgage, and I want you to look at your payment. Because one of my clients recently sent me theirs, and they wanted to have a conversation about how they can pay this off sooner. And we looked at those two numbers. We looked at their amortization. In this case, she had 27 years to go. She's 3 years into her mortgage, have a 30-year amortization, and her payments were roughly $720 bi-weekly. So what we did is we said, well, what if we increase that $720 by $20 to $740? What would that do? And it brought her amortization from 27 years down to 17 years. That's a lot of years. As far as dollar amount, that's almost $150,000 of after-tax income she'd be saving, by cutting off 10 years. She was quite surprised that $20 bi-weekly would do that. So then she said, what if I did more? We looked at $35, and that would bring it down to 15 years, saving $200,000 of payments. So that little jump in bi-weekly payments will have a huge impact, and she was quite surprised. So I want you to do me a favor. When you get your annual statement, I want you to look at those two numbers. We're more than happy to discuss it with one of our agents in the office, even if you're not a client of MonsterMortgage.ca. We want to help you get rid of that mortgage sooner than later. We're here to help you save money, not put it into the bank's pocket, but put it into your pocket, and really doing these little things will have a huge impact. So please make sure you call your advisor. Thank you so much.